Question 10. Change 22 meters per second to a speed involving kilometers per hour. So we start off with meters per second, which I choose to write like this, and we're going to end up with kilometers per hour, which I'm going to choose to write like this. So how I go about converting compound units like this is, even if you don't see a fraction to begin with, we're going to make one. So the top is now 22 meters and the bottom is now 1 second. And we convert the top unit until we get it in kilometers, and we convert the bottom unit until we get it in hours, and then we deal with the numbers afterwards. So 22 meters, if we're turning that into kilometers, we are going to be dividing by 1,000. So we're going to end up with a 0.022 in the top of that fraction. For 1 second, we are going to be dividing that by 60 first of all, in order to get it in minutes. So I'm just going to write this as a mini fraction for now, because the decimal is not going to be nice. But we're going to have a 60th of a minute. So that's what the top and the bottom of that fraction are going to look like. The top doesn't need to be changed, it already is in kilometers, so I can just write that down. But the bottom we'll need to divide by 60 again in order to turn minutes into hours, which is going to give me 1/3600th of an hour. So as it stands, it's a bit of a mess in terms of how it looks, but if I had typed 1 divided by 3600 into your calculator, you're going to get this, which is not really that much nicer looking than what we have above. So either way, our kilometers on the top is a 0.022. Our hours on the bottom either looks like this as a fraction or looks like this in standard form. What we then do next is we do the actual division. We mix that 0.022 over 1/3600, which will give us a final answer of 79.2. And this kilometers over hours, it basically becomes our units. So 79.2 kilometers per hour is our answer. Done.